Due to the graphic nature of this program, viewer discretion is advised.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Chevy John don't come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Cops is filmed on location with the men and women of law enforcement. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Hello everyone, welcome back to LSPDFR. Today we are doing a patrol in Los Santos International Airport. I really hope this time I can... What? What is happening up there? Okay, we are going to be pulling the... I've never seen that before. What the heck? Dude, you're getting pulled over. What the heck was that? Two cars just fell off of the bridge. What the heck? Yeah, you better pull over. Terrible pullover location. Not too bad, but, you know, make sure that you're straight this time, buddy. Oh, shoot, I made that mistake. I pressed the wrong button. Go. Oh my god. As soon as I pressed shift, I knew that was my mistake. God. Oh, come on, they are stopped. I don't want to deal with this crap again. There we go. It's gonna be hunting me. Okay, dude, don't walk in this. No. No. You better not do that. Okay, now this is a bad location because it's way too narrow. So what I'm gonna... Oh my god, don't you dare hit him! Oh my god. And don't you... Oh my god. Wow, you're so bad. Come on, dude. You can do this, buddy. You can do it. There, now that this opens up. Right there. There we go. Oh, they're kind of scripted. What is happening? Why are more cars just falling off the damn bridge?
Target license plate 89 Adam.
Are you okay, dude? Daniel Anderson.
2, no 1099.
What is happening up there? Hello, sir. My name is Norman with the LSPD. The reason why I pulled yours is because I saw your car fall off down that bridge like everybody else seems to keep doing. What is happening up there? Do you have your license, registration, and proof of insurance, please? I won't have to control that truck or car. Thank you, Garcia. Just want to make sure you haven't had anything to drink today, have you? I don't mean to answer that. Any drugs in past hours? Okay, that's okay. Well, thank you, and sit tight. I'll be right back with you. What is happening up there? I gotta go check that out. That was like, what, the 5th car that fell? Not that there's no person in that taxi. That is ridiculous. I've never seen that before. I'm gonna have to go up there. Vehicle database, Huntley, valid. Oh my god. Now what is that guy doing? Legal U-turn. Well, first of all, driving the wrong way, because you can't turn right here. But he was good. This guy's good. Let's see it. I don't even know if I should be doing this. because multiple cars have done it, so that's obviously not. But I don't have a reason to do that, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and seize that vehicle. I guess reckless driving is all I can do. So issue a penalty. I don't know. It's $200. Seize the vehicle. Just like offenses, I should have just done this from the beginning. Sounds like a stone. Well, I guess not. Just passed it. I passed it. Careless driving. There we go. Okay, I'm not gonna give him a $550 ticket. I'll give him 100. I just wanted to cite the offense as well. I guess technically I didn't have to do that, but still. Alright, sir. I'm gonna give you a ticket. This is not a mission of guilt, saying that you will appear in court. I don't know what's happening, but that was just crazy. And since your windows are bashed out, shattered, you cannot be driving the vehicle. You're gonna have to get out of the vehicle. I'm sorry. Hey! Damn it. Alright. Never mind. I'm just gonna... Whatever. I'm pretty sure I checked it, but I guess I was wrong. But, wow. That was some crazy... Alright, let's go check up to see what's happening up there. Because that is just ridiculous. Hey, I don't think so, buddy. You're not going to cut in front of me. Oh, my goodness. That is just... Oh yeah, by the way, sorry about the texture, the carbon textures. I put an E11 blaster in, so I could do a Stormtrooper mod, but that, okay, buddy, wow. But that did not really work out so well. It only works for me for some odd reason, or it only did work, I'm sorry, buddy, that's my fault. It only did work for me, but...
Target license plate.
Oh my goodness, why did people shooting out of there?
Union, Lincoln, 978.
Alright, I don't even remember how to get up there, so how about we go into the right lane, and... get up there. I'll figure it out. Alright, I really don't know what's happening. That's probably why they're glitching, and I knew I saw that glitch. But right now we are going to be pulling over this guy right up here. He's swerving.
George Edward
Julia Henson, no registration, expired insurance, and license expired.
A traffic violation.
So showing up a little bit more.
Proceed with caution.
Traffic violation. A traffic violation. Proceed with caution. Go ahead and turn on scroll lock. That was might be close, but oh well. Oh man, my name is Noah with LSPD. The reason why I pulled you over is because they were doing a bit of swerving back there on this bridge on New Empire Way. License, registration, and proof of insurance, please. Were you aware that you're driving on expired insurance? Oh, so, no, I'm very sorry about that. Alright. Why doesn't the vehicle have a valid registration? I didn't know that something I was supposed to do. Alright, I'm sorry guys. We got a phone call and I'm probably going to get home soon anyways. Do you know that your driver's license has expired? I was intending to get it taken care of, but I must have forgotten to do it. Alright. Gotta remain. But having some memory issues. Okay, Julia Henson. I've been having some memory issues lately. Thank you, Julius. That's tight. I'll be right back. Like, I woke up a few nights ago. Like, I fell asleep kind of early. It was on Thursday night, and I woke up kind of early. I fell asleep kind of early, about 8:30, something like that. And I've been having a little memory issues since then. The expired. She owns the car. There were no registration and stuff like that. Julian Henson, last one's expired. I'm gonna go ahead and write up a traffic citation for her. Just in case. Citation. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to put down my resolution, which means lag. So, give me a second. Graphics. Time for the lags. Ready, guys? Yep, up to 8. Yep, just right by. Julian Henson. Traffic citation. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to. Looks like I'm gonna have to reload the plug-in and force duty. So give me a second, please. Alright, we're back, and there's like some shots fired somewhere, but I don't care about that. We're back. I don't know if it's gonna be the same person, no, but we're still gonna go ahead and write up the traffic citation. Type. It is, I would say, an SUV or something like that. Documentation. Failure to, or no, she did have a light or insurance, but she it's expired. So got that. Expired license. I don't even know if she's still gonna be drunk or high or whatever, because I should have asked her that. Failure to present registration. She can't even be driving this anyways. So she was gonna have a hefty fine on her, buddy. Alright, guys. She was clearly impaired. Clearly impaired. Still gonna treat her as Julia. It's the same. Wow, 500. Have you been drinking at all? I don't answer that. Any drugs in the past 3 hours? No. I'm gonna go ahead and breathalyze her anyways. Breathalyzer. We just get it for a 1, because she was honestly a 1055 subject, and we can easily get her for a DUI. Alright, I wonder what happened. I wonder if I can do this. I hope I can. Can I not do it? Hello? Hello? Oh, I was pressing the wrong button, that button. Alright. Well, I'm gonna have to give you a ticket for those expired registration, or excuse me, no registration, expired license, and expired insurance. So, can you also step out of the vehicle for me, please? Yeah, she's obviously 1055. Alright, ma'am. You are going to be placed under arrest for DUI. Just go ahead and run her name. Again, always run her name. Do you have anything illegal on you, Julia? I'm still going to say Julia, because if I didn't have to reload the LSPDFR, it would have still been Julia. But no warrants. A pair of panties and a Zippo lighter. Alright, okay. Well, come over here, please. There's a seat in the back of my police car for me. Come on. Sit down. Come on, thank you. Nice step pop. No, really? Okay. Guess I'll have to get through it this way. I don't know why I can't go around there now. Let's go ahead and search the car. Butterfly knife, cigar, basketball, and a school bag. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and... Come on. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this thing out of the way, because... yeah. Wow. Oh, now I can? Really? Oh, goodness. Tow truck is on scene. Alright. Go ahead and call prisoner transport. Probably in a small. Oh, I guess not. I was wrong.
Los Santos International.
Adam 6, copy. We're checking it out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's just go ahead and pull it forward and then warp the prisoner transport closer to us, because that is ridiculous. People have to stop right in front of the police car.
You moron!
One moron. Oops, sorry, man. Didn't mean to. Patient person. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. I'm gonna change these signs and put it to like real airlines, like JetBlue and stuff like that, Delta, United, stuff like that. But I really don't know how to. I don't know what's located in. I don't know what's located inside Open 4. And anyways, go to 4. I'll do that call. We're gonna be 10-8. Alright, we're getting a call right now.
Attention all units.
Assault.
We've got a
Let me go ahead and take
240
that.
in Los Santos International.
Oh, I forgot. Oh my goodness! My controller, stop it! I was gonna turn my lights, but I forgot the scroll lock is on. And then my controller decided to screw up. It's because of, like, my charger is getting very bad. So... That's why. Squeeze right by here. Thank you for not pulling out in front of me, people. Where's telling me to pull into? Oh, it's telling me to turn left up here on this road. It's interesting. I've never really been down this road before. No, I did not mean to get out of my car. I'm sorry about that. I pressed the wrong button. I was trying to press G. Come on, get up. You're alright. Come on. It's a wet one out there. We gotta get back in the car. Sorry about that. Oh man, from that angle, it looks like. Oh my god, is that plane going down? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is. Oh my god. I thought that plane was gonna crash. Oh wow. I don't think it did, but wow, I really thought that plane was gonna crash. Where did it even go to? I don't even see it anymore. Oh my goodness, I really thought that plane was gonna crash. That was like some weird flying. Wow. Alright. It's gonna be in here.
1 Ocean 12. Roger.
This gate's not gonna open up. Will this gate's not open up at all? Or kind of just push it. No? That stinks. How am I supposed to get through there then? If these gates don't open up. Alright then. Okay. We are on scene. They can't even be in this airport like this. There's gonna be trespassing for both of them. Alright, ma'am. Hello, my name is Nora with LSPD. Oh, officer, thank God you're here. The man had left before he got here. I was just walking down the street and he came up to me. He started saying things like, I love you, and it was really creepy. I was minding my own business, and he just punched me. He called me bitch. I swear he's crazy. He said that he wanted to rape me. This nice guy here rescued me and chased him off. He was crazy. Seriously, you got to arrest him. You look like a nice guy. Can you help a girl out, please? Alright, let's talk to the guy. Officer, she's making the whole thing. The guy doesn't give her any attention, so she cries. Great. Maybe she's telling the truth, but it doesn't seem genuine. I don't know, something just seems off to me. I think that's him coming back to the scene. I'll give you the statement if you want. All the way over there? Are you kidding me? Alright, well, it looks like I'm going all the way over there. Now you two just sit tight, and I'll be right back. Where is he? Is he on top of the roof? No, he's right there. Why are you all over there? Are you gonna talk to me? Okay. I could have left, officer, but when I saw you pull up, I had to come back. I haven't got anything to hide, sir. I came back to speak with you personally. I just want to make sure you got the truth. Someone has to show her that she can't just make stuff up. She was screaming out, threatening her with a knife. You can check me, I don't have no weapons. Alright, sir. Can you stop for me? Sir. Well, okay, I'm gonna have to do it this way, then. No fashion way without getting my ID. Their ID. Jonathan Mark. 12/27/1985. License is valid. Sure, I'm just gonna go ahead and get back to my car real quick. Wait until he stops. Because he's almost there anyways. He had to walk all the way. He had to be all the way over here. Like, are you kidding me? Wait, did I forget to stop the time? I did. I forgot to change the time. About, I want to say 12. My bad. I forgot to stop. Okay, never mind. I accidentally do that, but that's okay. No, it's okay. It's not even raining here anymore. Didn't realize that my wide was out too. Okay. But I got his statement. Do not do this, really. Alright. Please read it time to check their IDs. Ma'am, do you have an ID on you? Thank you very much. Taro, holy. License is valid. No, 99. How much you, sir? Do you have an ID on you? Thank you, Jim McJerry. License is valid. No, 99. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and search him. See, I was showing my friend this, and like I was pulling over a random person. Somebody's name was John McCain. It's kind of funny. May have been credit card and a flashlight. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put him in cuffs real quick because sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you have to put them under arrest in order for them to say that they have a knife or something like that. But he's good, so I'm gonna go ahead and release him as I can. It's not letting me again. But she's gonna go to jail for false information. I mean, you can't be doing that at all. So she's gonna go to jail. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to put him in the back of my police car and release him that way. Because I can't release him by my own. You're not under arrest, sir. Just doing this so I can release you, since I cannot. I'm gonna get through this, but I'm not really gonna bother right now. There we go. Alright, he's released. But you, man. Alright, ma'am. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to place you under arrest for false information. You can't make up stories and then call the police down here. You can't do that. Do you have anything illegal on you? Mr. Fluffle's pet color. Alright. Oh, there comes the security guard. That's trespassing. I'm gonna get it for trespassing because, you know, pedestrians can't be on this part of the airport. Alright, sir, you're free to go. Thank you for your cooperation. She's going to be going to jail for false information and trespassing. I'm not going to press you for... I'm not going to cite you for trespassing because you've been very cooperative with me. So you are free to go. Thank you for your help. But it looks like I'm going to have to force a call out just to end this thing.
Citizens report.
I'm not going to get that, obviously. Now, what is that car doing in here?
Los Santos International Airport.
Is that a random pedestrian? Excuse me. Oh my god, what are you doing? Okay, well, you just took out this. Oh, I got a suspect with me. I can't really afford to be in a pursuit right now trying to get that guy down. So, you know what? How about we just take her to jail ourselves? Actually, you know what? Screw that. I'm not going to do that.
Assistance required for
Because I don't want to have to go all the way back around.
in Los Santos International. Roger.
I'll just go to where people don't come through here. Hi. I don't know why there's a police car just going around in circles. Going code 3 for no reason. Alright, Oh, she's going to go into jail now. Alright, we're code 4 after this. Let's go find something else.
Attention all units. We've
How
got
many
a possible
Davis?
burglary in Davis.
Nah.
Dispatch
We have another one.
unit
Stolen police
1
vehicle. We're
Ocean
gonna go ahead
12.
and take this
We've
one.
got
Which
a
way is it
stolen
going?
police vehicle
It's going back
in
around,
Los
so I'm gonna
Santos
go ahead
International.
and pull off to the Sano Road. He's thinking of just sitting there. Dangerous criminals. Let's go ahead and see what the arrest report says real quick. All details. Reviewed police tracker. Please respond. Unit responding. Dangerous organized criminals. Okay. There it is right there. There we go. There it is.
We've got a criminal resisting arrest in Los
Okay.
Santos
Oh my god, they're
International
shooting at me. Oh my god. Oh, we gotta get a lot of guys up here. And we can't call a helicopter because it is raining. Oh my god. Alright, they're coming back around. They're coming back around. Let's go. Get out. Get out. Get out. Quickly. Quickly. Damn pedestrians. I think I got one of the tires, at least. Oh, I'm being stuck again. Don't do this to me. Get back in the damn vehicle. Wait, which way do they go? Do they turn back around? Which way are they going? Come on. Get back in the damn vehicle. Thank you. I shot one of the tires out at least. Man, that's a ton of police presence right over there. Oh my god. But there's more police. Oh my god. What is happening over there? Is that a vehicle? That is a vehicle. Just like 5M, but a desync and 5M. Guys, can you move out of the way? Move out of the way. Move out of the way, guys. I'm in a police car. You're not. Oh my god. Alright. They got him. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna let them do the arrest report. No, I want him. I want one. No. No, 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 no. I want one. I want one. No. No, this is mine. I want to do one. I was getting shot at. I almost died. This one's mine. Oh, it's doing that thing again where, like, it clones itself. Something like that. This one's mine. I'm gonna get the other one. Mike Rogers. Alright, Mike, what are you doing? Are you that stupid? You have anything illegal on you? The passenger is shooting at me, but he's probably going to be charged with attempted murder of a police officer because he was part of it. Then you're wanted.
Calling unit 1 Ocean 12.
I'm okay.
10-4, copy that.
Nothing of interest. Alright. Can't search that vehicle because that'll just give me med pack and stuff like that. Have a seat. Let's go search the other guy though. Before PT comes for him. Oh, too late. Oh, nope, it's not. Nothing of interest. I don't know what happened to their gun. I think I popped one of the tires. Yeah, I popped the front tire. That's what I did. That's like he ended up crashing. But both of them are wanted. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and call a tow truck for this thing over here. For this police cruiser. Yes, I'm sure. My window is cracked because of the bullets. Let's go get some armor too, because that was just ridiculous. What are you doing? He just shot a taser at nobody. Oh my god, what's happening back there? It's patience. Come on, no, what are you doing? Gotta say, get back in here.
Yeah, run off, you animal!
Thank you.
You animal! What in the hell?
Nope. There we go. No, we're going forward once again. And just get back on the truck. Oh, wait, what? I forgot about him. God damn it. I completely forgot about him. Told you, I'm having memory issues.
In Los Santos International.
I'm telling you, I have memory issues today. I recently completely forgot about him. I'm trying. I think my memory has been damaged or something, because this is the second time I've had memory loss after waking up. First time I couldn't remember anything for past days, anything at all for previous days. I got back the next day when I was at school in the morning, but still. Convening arrest. Reckless driving. Driving the wrong way. Hey. You go ahead and give him. I don't know if he was shooting at anybody or not. So obviously we can't, but we can give him for a warrant, obviously, because he does have a warrant. And possession of a stolen vehicle. And if it was possession of a stolen police car, that's going to be another charge on him, but he doesn't, but Computer Plus doesn't have that, so can't do that. Alright, now we're looking for it. And now we got a happy pursuit of the garbage truck.
We have a 148 on, lot 4.
Oh my god, you think this? Oh my god, okay, well we do have another person over there. And I had the wrong button. But this will take me a while to get over there. So let's go ahead and pause. And we got U-turners. Here is the garbage truck. Right here. He's just pushing that police car. Like that cruiser. And I did not want to do that. I'm going to do this thing right here. Can't pit a garbage truck. I'll clear the pit. Alright. Traffic's slowing down up top. And this is where a lot of trucks are, so that's good for us. Oh my god. We do have a lot of trucks up here. And things are really starting to ramp up now. Oh, and hard brake. We're gonna work out today. We gotta get another unit over here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and close off the road up there. That's one I have to do. Close off the road. Driver of the vehicle, get out. Get out. Driver of the vehicle, get out now. That did work. That thing is done for. Alright, they were getting the other guy, the passenger. We're getting him. We didn't even hit him. I mean, we stopped him, but we didn't hit him. We'll wait for a few seconds. Alright, let's go for this. That did work out pretty well. What in the world are you doing? Why? What are you doing, sir? I know the raids. Or Riez. Alright. Come over here.
Attention, this is dispatch. No further units required.
Yeah, that garbage truck is done for. We can't even tow it either. We're gonna have to leave it there. The other guy is in cuffs too. Dude, why? Why are we... Stop it. I don't know how we got through there. A chainsaw. Alright. Come over here, sir. You are going to be placed under arrest. We're being arrest. I don't know what that little thing was about. That's weird. If he hits my police car. Now let's go ahead and get inside my car, and then we can open up traffic on the left side of the lane at least. Okay. That was the only thing I could have done. The only way to stop him was to shut down traffic on both lanes. We gotta... I don't even remember the plate. So, let's go ahead and... run the plate again. Oh, did I even run it? I think I didn't. Yeah, I did run it. I just don't remember putting on trash. 46 Queen Ocean King 927. Let's go ahead and search. If there's anything that comes back, hey, save bus. That's cool. Like 1099. If something comes back and it's in the trunk, we'll just say it's in the very back. In the trash compactor. City Los Santos. I've never seen that before. But this is my first time chasing a garbage truck, anyways. Ski mask, an I-37T, GoPro, a crowbar, and nothing like this. Alright, well, like I said, you can't really tow this thing, but I can pull it up ahead a little bit. So that's what we're gonna have to do. This thing is almost completely done for. Back it up a little bit. We're right on the edge. Alright, well, passenger has been picked up. We can't call a tow truck for this thing. So let's go ahead and call prisoner transport and get this idiot picked up, and then we can further report for him. It's not reported storm, so Arnold.
We'll check it out.
Arrest report. This is the only thing we can get him for is getting an arrest and reckless driving. Maybe crashing, I think, but yeah, I think they crashed. Because otherwise, I'm going to be smoking. So he's the scene of an accident as well. I suppose that's not true, but no. All right. He's all the way back there. We're gonna have to come get a little bit closer. Here, she's all the way back there. Just, whoa, what? Why did the road turn red? Look at that. What is that? There's nothing that could be casting that much red on the road. Asshole. What? Okay, that's kind of weird, but okay. Let's go ahead and close the door because they don't seem to like to do that by themselves. Alright, well, he's in the back now. Here on the floor. Alright guys, well this is going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. My next episode, I think I'm going to do something with the military police. See if I can get anything from that. Because I want to do something a little bit different this time. I haven't really had much of a chance because there's not a lot of call-outs that are being released. Sure, Albo updates his assorted call-outs, but there's not really much being released lately. That has to do with like military stuff and you know. But anyways, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys later. Take care.